If you camp with any regularity, you're probably looking for the best water purifiers for camping. After all, when you're enjoying the great outdoors, access to clean, drinking water is incredibly important. There are many products available to choose from best water purifiers for camping, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best water purifiers for camping from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter has small hollow fibers with pores measuring 0.2 microns, allowing it to remove bacteria, parasites, and microplastics as you drink directly from the water source. It makes an excellent alternative to chemical treatments like iodine tablets and bulky purifiers. It requires no batteries or pumping, but it does demand a more powerful draw compared to the average draw. A single purchase of the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter can last a lifetime as it has no expiration date. Due to its compact and portable size, it can fit perfectly in a small emergency kit, as opposed to the best water filters for the home. Number 2. Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System. Sawyer water filters and purifiers are usually lightweight and reliable, the Sawyer Mini being a miniature version of the Sawyer Squeeze water treatment system. The Squeeze filter is a bit heavier than the Mini. Sawyer's lightest water filtration system weighs only 0.2 ounces, much like our top pick. Its filtration system comes with tiny hollow fibrous membranes, with pores measuring 0.1 microns in size, allowing it to also remove harmful bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics effectively. The fiber membranes are sealed in a special case to prevent physical damage. Every Sawyer product goes through rigorous testing thrice before hitting the market to guarantee that no pathogens can pass through. Unlike our top pick, the Sawyer Mini comes with a reusable pack that can store 16 ounces of water. For your home needs, check out the best whole house water filter systems. Number 3. Survivor Filter Pro. The Survivor Filter Pro has 3 filtration stages. The 0.1 micron filter removes algae, protozoa, E. coli and the like, while the carbon filter reduces chemicals and other heavy metals. A third internal filter also eliminates viruses. It has a fast flow rate, 17 ounces per minute, allowing you to fill large jugs effortlessly. As it only measures 3.2 x 2 x 6.5 inches and weighs 8.2 ounces, you can easily fit it in a backpack or an emergency kit. Although this backpacking water purifier can filter water for a single person, it can also be used for large groups at a campsite. Another great runner-up is MyWell. His MyWell filter faucet puts all the components above the counter for $500. You can keep your water cool in the best coolers while camping as well. Number 4. LifeStraw Family Gravity-Powered Water Purifier. Used by more than 13.2 million people worldwide, the LifeStraw Family straw exceeds EPA standards, removing 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and protozoan cysts with 0.2 microns. As it is a gravity filter, you need to pour unfiltered water on top, and clean water comes out from the bottom. It has a 9 to 12 liter per hour flow rate, which is a bit slower than the Survivor Pro. Nevertheless, it gives you significantly more capacity without having to use chlorine dioxide and other chemical treatments. A single LifeStraw Family device can give a family clean, drinkable water for 3 years. That's enough to let you rest peacefully in the best sleeping bags. Number 5. MSR Mini Works X Microfilter. The MSR Mini Works X is equipped with the air spring accumulator, which pumps 1 liter of water per minute, without the need for any tools. It can remove 99.99% of bacteria and protozoa. However, unlike its sibling the MSR Guardian Purifier, it can't filter viruses, making it ideal for camping trips only within North America and near clear water sources. Aside from its fast filter rate, it has excellent compatibility with a range of water containers, also making it super easy to use for outdoor escapades. I would call it an essential piece of camping gear. Speaking of water, it's also a good idea to bring one of the best umbrellas with you when camping. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.